Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset, first press and hold the volume down and power button together, and now tap to power off your Samsung smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Now connect your Samsung phone to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to my laptop with the help of USB Type-C cable. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Okay, now press and hold the volume up and power button together, and when the Samsung logo appears, press and hold it, and when the Samsung logo appears, release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now unplug the cable. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. So here you can see if your phone is reset, you will need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. Okay, now confirm wipe data factory reset. So you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. So it will perform a factory data reset. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now what you have to do, simply reboot system now. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.